What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today you can see we've got the other Blazer in the shop, and we've also got a bunch of lights wired up. We got a ceiling fan that'll just about blow your hat off, and we're working on getting the body for this set back on our airbag chassis. And we got a couple body bolts that are stuck here. This one's up a little bit. I think we can just sawzall that one off. But you can see everything's on it. We've tried heat, we've tried oil. Now we're gonna try the old slicer.
Violence.
Well, that was easy. I've been super worried about doing this for like 6 months. Just knowing it was going to be a pain. And we just got them out in what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, probably something like that.
All 4 of them in 20 minutes. So now we're going to probably roll this back a little bit, huh? Bring the frame around?
Yeah.
Roll this around. We got a bunch of cars we got to move. And then roll the frame in here and get started trying to put this on there. We'll see. All right, this is the setup we got going here. We got to get that under this, and we don't have a crane or anything, so we got the jacks under a 4x6 with another 4x6 turned up on its side to get maximum liftage. And then on the back, we've got a piece of angle iron that fits across here underneath these rails, and we're gonna hook that to it, jack that up. That'll raise the whole thing. We can move our platform out and then slide that underneath it. In theory, we'll see. Well, that went better than expected. It's still not sitting down on the frame here. It's on the jacks. We got to move those, but we're going to get the back set. And in order to do so, we're going to have to cut out for all of this from the floor. So we just took some measurements, and we got to go 13 inches from the center of these bolt holes forward and 3 inches back all the way over. And we're going to unbolt the wheel tubs for now so that we don't have to mess with cutting those things up. We can just unbolt them, take them out. I'll tell you what would be cool, dude, if we just built a wheel tub all the way across and cover everything. Anyways, that's what we got going. That's what we're about to get started on. We're gonna figure out where we need to cut and go ahead and start cutting and get this body set down. Welcome back. It's a new day. We're still working on the Blazer. I've got a full set of body bushing mounts. We got the body put on yesterday. We just kind of set it down to where it was going to be. We don't have carriage bolts. We don't have nuts. Is that funny? Is that funny, Heather?
No.
We've got the body bushings, and we're about to get them set on so I can measure and see how long we need them to be, and we'll go from there. Position number 5 would be body. Supplied 3-inch washer with 1.9. 40-10. Then the frame, then a 40-37.
Nice.
All right, so here we are. Motor's back out of the Monza. changed their mind again, if you can believe that. We're usually so decisive and we just stick with the first thing we say we're gonna do. This time's different.
We do what we want.
It's true. I do have a permit that says that. Anyways, this is an LT1 T56. It doesn't have any kind of pressure plate or clutch or flywheel or anything on the engine. That's because I've got to do the conversion to make it work on an LS. I just have this bolted up here for mock-up. I'm not going to build my cross member yet. I'm just going to build my motor mounts. And so that's what we're about to do. We're about to get this bad boy stuck in there and see how she fits and what kind of motor mounts I need to do.